To minimize the downtime of complex machines, one thing is needed above all: knowledge. However, this is often inadequately prepared or only available from a few experts. This is why we developed Bitnamic Connect and combined remote maintenance, documentation, and training on one platform. No matter where your support is located, with just one click, you can connect local service personnel with experts worldwide. Thanks to the live video feed, issues can be discussed together. Supported by interactive functions such as laser pointer or whiteboard. Bitnamic Connect is also compatible with a wide range of augmented reality glasses. This not only provides the necessary clarity, but also leaves your hands free to work. Say goodbye to confusing paperwork. With a digital documentation collection, all machine information is always to hand. Documents and even complex 3D models can be stored and shared here. You also have the option of making step-by-step instructions available here. This provides your service personnel with independent and structured support until the problem is solved. With Bitnamic Connect, you can also impart valuable knowledge in live workshops from any location and provide accompanying materials for independent learning. Subsequent learning objective checks make progress tangible for participants and trainers alike. Improve communication, service, and expertise, and reach the next level of digital service with Bitnamic Connect.